Hey everyone, welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we have a bubbly surprise, French 75s. So grab your bar mat and a good attitude. A quick disclaimer, I'm making this for two, so if you're going stag, just half the recipe. You'll need champagne or a good dry sparkling wine like a Brut Cuvée, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, a French gin with a citrus aroma like Citadel, rich simple syrup, and lemon twist for garnish, or if you're lazy and resourceful like me, some peels that you've frozen from the last time you juiced lemons. Pop that bubbly and let's get to it. French 75s are one of the easiest drinking cocktails out there. Start by grabbing your small shaker tin and go-to jigger and pouring in a half ounce of rich simple syrup. Followed by 1 ounce lemon juice, and then 2 ounces of your favorite French gin, or some citrusy gin will work just fine. Add ice and shake well for 15 seconds. Grab your coupe or flute glasses you've been chilling for the afternoon. I like the presentation of coupes better, but if you're more concerned with keeping the drink carbonated, use a flute and pour in the champagne first. Start by distributing the shaker tin contents equally between the two glasses. Then top with champagne or Brut Cuvée, about 4 ounces each. And garnish with your lemon peel. The perfect romantic evening or brunch cocktail. Cheers.